You can officially stop using third-party plugins to host your Google fonts or even custom fonts that you wish to use on your WordPress website. Starting today with Thrive Themes Font Library, you can manage all of your fonts in one single location. Upload, download, edit variations of them right from within the backend of WordPress without installing anything else other than Thrive Suite. Now, why does this even matter? Well, managing fonts locally isn't just about convenience, it also improves site performance by reducing load times, which can positively impact SEO and user experience. Plus, it helps ensure GDPR compliance, especially if you're concerned about privacy implications of using third-party font hosting services. Let me just show you how this works. If you head over to your WordPress dashboard, you'll now notice how there's a new area labeled Thrive Font Library. Here we can do a few different things. We can take a look at our existing library of fonts that are installed on our website. These are always going to be sorted in alphabetical order. And of course, if you ever want to delete one of them, you can easily do so as well. Now, there is also a tab for Google Fonts. This is where you're going to be able to browse for Google Fonts and even see a preview of them and download them to host them locally on your server. And this is absolutely great because on top of speeding up your site by not having to load any resources from Google servers, it's also GDPR compliant, which I'm sure a lot of you guys are going to appreciate. And last but not least, of course, there's also a tab for you to simply drag and drop your own custom fonts. So once you've activated your font, you can now fire up a page with Thrive Architect and select Thrive Font Library as the source for your text elements. You'll then find all of your custom fonts available for you to choose from right here. And in case you're wondering, yes, your Thrive Theme Builder typography set also integrates seamlessly with Thrive Font Library. We've put in a whole lot of time and work into trying to figure out, okay, how can we make this a really, really simple experience for our customers? And I have to say that I'm pretty proud of the way it turned out. So yeah, just let me know in the comment section below, how you feel about Thrive Font Library and what you want to see implemented in our products coming soon. Truly appreciate your time, and I'll see you soon. Thanks again.